Hello dear children, today let us see which of the following figures have rotational symmetry. Here are some figures. So this is the first figure. Let us rotate it and see whether it has rotational symmetry or not. So this is the starting point. This flower has 5 petals. If I bring this petal to this position, yeah, it is showing symmetry, isn't it? Now if I move it to the next petal, so second time it is looking the same. So if I bring this petal here, third time it is looking the same. Now we'll move to the fourth petal. Yes, here also it is looking the same, and now also it is looking the same, isn't it? That means definitely this figure has rotational symmetry. And how many times it is looking the same? 5 times. And this is called as the order of rotation. And the order of rotation for this figure is 5, isn't it? Now children, let us see in figure 2 whether it shows rotational symmetry or not, and also try to see the angle of rotation here. So this is the start position. If I rotate it like this at 90 degree, it is looking the same, and this is 1/4 turn, isn't it? You can see the angle formed here. It is shown in green color. Now what happens if I give it half a turn? That is at 180 degree. It is again looking the same, isn't it? So 2 times it is looking the same till now. Now we'll see at 270 degree also it is looking the same. This is called as 3/4 turn. Now slowly we'll move back to the start position. Now what will happen? Here also it is looking the same, isn't it? That means the order of rotation of this figure is 360, that is 4. The order of rotation of this figure is 4. 4 times it is looking the same. First at 90 degree, then 180 degree, then 270 degree, and then at 360 degree, isn't it? Children, here is one more figure. Let us see whether it shows rotational symmetry or not. So it is not looking the same. Even at 90 degree, it is not matching to the original figure. Backside you can see the original figure. It is not fitting into it. At 180 degree also it is not looking the same. So here also it is not matching to the original thing. Now at 360 degree it is looking the same. That means it is looking the same only in its original position, and the order of symmetry of this figure is 1. When the order of symmetry is 1, that means it looks the same only in its original position, and this figure has no rotational symmetry. Children, here is another beautiful figure. Let us see whether it shows rotational symmetry or not. Now if I start rotating it, it will look the same at 90 degree, isn't it? It's looking the same at 90 degree. Now even at 180 degree it is looking the same, half a turn. Now 270 degree, that is 3/4 turn. It is looking the same. And when it comes back to its original position, here also it is looking the same. So how many times it is looking the same? It's looking the same 4 times. So it has the order of rotation, that is 4. At 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, as well as at 360 degree, isn't it? Now here are some beautiful figures you can explore. I have shown few. You can go through all this and check whether these figures show symmetry or not, rotational symmetry. And you can also find the order of rotation, that means how many times it is looking the same in one rotation.